breadboards. One is this one, and back side of the another breadboard I have opened it so that we can see what is the back side of the breadboard. As you can see, so the breadboard is a very basic component which is used in our lab or to make some experiment. There are so many sections in the breadboard. So this is one section, and second section, and one more section is third section. Upper and lower sections are known as power rails. You can use them for supplying making VCC to give supply, or to make, you can use them to ground. So you can see backside of the breadboard. So from this point to this point there is a metal strip, and there is a continuity from this end to this end. We can check this on the multimeter. Okay, to check the continuity, set to this, you point the knob to this diode like symbol and select it here so that it will make a beep sound. As you can see, if these probes are correct, it will make a beep sound. Likewise, if you want to check the continuity of a wire or anything, you can use the multimeter. So let us see. So from this end to this end, let us see if there is a continuity. So you can see entire from this point to this point there is a continuous metal strip. Okay, so that is on the breadboard from one end to this end, this whole path is continuous or shorted. So you can make connection from here, here or up to here. So from this end there is a next another section which is not connected. So you can check, there is a sound, so the path is continuous. So if you check here, it is not continuous. So from this end to this end, again it is continuous path, so that you can use one line, that is each line consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, and you can insert 5 wires or connecting wires to each section. So upper and lower power rails are not shorted. Let us check. So there is a continuity. I'll check this metal strip and this metal strip. There is no continuity. So you cannot use connect ground here and ground here. You have to make use of one single line up to here, and this is another separate power rail. So you can make it as supply or ground connection. So in the second section, so this is the front side. Back side of this is like this. There are metal strips. Okay, all 5 slots are shorted. Let us check the back side of the breadboard. So from one, these all the holes are shorted. So it is a continuous metal strips are added. Likewise, each section, each slot is having metal strip. Means from this point to this point you will have a continuity, and you have to insert your components to that respective slot. So likewise, this is also same as we have explained in this. This is also like this only. You will have 2 lines for connecting VCC and ground, and there is one separation, this one. This is there to make connection, component connection or IC connection. Like IC you have to connect in the middle. So this is how you have to make a connection for IC, because this pin and next pin will not be shorted. If you connect the IC in this upper section or lower section, all the pins are shorted. This pin is shorted with this pin is shorted with this, respectively all the pins are shorted to other pins. So to insert our IC, this groove will be provided. So to insert it like this, so that you can make connection. Now if you want to connect some 4-5 cables or connecting wires to respective pins, so you can use them from this point to this point. 4 connecting wires you can make a connection, because backside these are all shorted. So likewise for each pin you can make 4 connections and use it for your experiment. So if you want to use entire line, so from this end to this end it is shorted, but it is not shorted to next row. So if you want to make a connection for the entire line, what you can do is take a wire. So it is a back side, I am showing you how to make a connection. Take a wire and short them. So like this you have to short, then from this point to this point the entire line is shorted, and you can make use for the common ground or common supply. And register, one more mistake we commonly do is connecting up a resistor. Okay, you cannot make connection like this for a resistor. So this end is shorted with this, it is like short circuit, you are not connecting resistor at all. You have to connect them like this, so that this line is separate and this line is separate, you can make use of the connection. So if these things you should take care, and you can use the breadboard easily. So hope this helps for your experiments. Thank you.